How to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option FaceTime. Make sure you have enabled for the option FaceTime. In case you have disabled for this option, enable it. Under You can be reached by FaceTime ad, confirm your Apple ID and phone or email are checked. Next up, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If not, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next, update iOS. So launch General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top, scroll all the way down and click on Logout. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Likewise, check Restriction. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Click on the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Now click on the option Allow Read Apps and Features. Make sure you have enabled for the option FaceTime. In case you have disabled for it, enable it. Next up, reset your network settings. For that, head back to the main page of settings, click on General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, restart or force restart your iPhone. For that, you can quickly press and release the volume up, then quickly press and release the volume down, hold the side button until Apple logo appears. So these are some fixes for FaceTime not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.